my head. Yes! It's a vampire hairband. I hope you all like my vampire hairband. I love it so much. And I know you too love it. So come, let's get into the spooky, scary video. Now we are going to blow a ghost balloon using yeast. You know yeast is a living thing. It eats sugar, warm water to grow. When it grows, carbon dioxide comes out to make the balloon grow bigger. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to add some warm water. Now I'm going to mix the bottle up like this. Now let's add in some yeast. My mom will help me. Now can we blow the balloon and keep it in top?
Yeah. So let's add 2 pack of yeast. So the one packet is around 3 grams.
Wow.
And now look at our spooky balloon.
Let's put it right here. Maybe it will blow. Yes, it will.
It takes a lot of time for it to blow. Let's keep it like this.
Yeah. Why does it take a lot of time to blow?
Because the yeast need time to grow. That's when it produces carbon dioxide. So maybe let's have our stop clock ready. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's have our stop clock ready and see how long it takes for the yeast to grow. Okay?
Yeah. Look, the yeast has grown with the sugar and water, and the balloon is getting bigger. Next, it's a flying ghost experiment. All we need is some cutted tissue papers, a balloon, and my mom to rub the balloon on my head. Now I'm going to place the balloon over the tissue paper. Nothing happened. I think the balloon needs some energy. I'll rub it on my head with my mom's help. Because I rubbed it in my hair, the balloon acted like a magnet to pull the ghosts and attract with the balloon. And it's called statical electricity. The next experiment is dancing googly eyes with raisins. All we need is some vinegar and an empty jar, baking soda and googly eyes and raisins. First I am going to add 3 spoons of baking soda. Then I am going to add the googly eyes. Then a little bit of vinegar. The raisins are dancing with the googly eyes.
Do you know why these raisins are dancing around?
Yeah, because of the vinegar and baking soda, they make carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide came out to make the raisins and scary googly eyes dance. Here's googly eyes stuck to the side. It's very funny. Very, very
I hope you all found this video interesting, and please do try this with your little one, and I am sure they will enjoy it too. So if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Thanks a lot for your time and support. Take care and have a blessed day.